What if I told you that just a few smart moves could have you earning extra money on the side, without having to quit your job or sacrifice all your free time? Think you don't need this? Think again. Picture this. You're out with friends, the conversation light and fun, when one of them casually mentions they've made an extra $500 this month from a simple side hustle. You try to smile, but deep down, something stirs. You've been working hard, sticking to a budget, yet somehow you're always one step behind. Bills are piling up and your savings? Well, let's just say it's not where you want it to be. And then there's the future. Those long-term goals, buying a home, traveling more, or simply having the security to handle whatever life throws at you, seem farther away with each passing month. You can't help but ask yourself, how long can I keep this up? On the ride home, you can't stop thinking about it. While everyone else seems to be moving forward, you're stuck in the same cycle, working hard, but barely getting ahead. You pull out your phone, determined to find a solution, and that's when you stumble upon this video. Top 10 side hustles to make extra money in 2024. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Imagine finally having the extra cash to cover expenses, grow your savings, and work toward your goals. It's time to stop wondering, what if, and start taking control of your financial future. Starting right here, right now. First up, freelance writing. Got away with words? Then this could be your golden ticket. Websites, businesses, and content creators are constantly in need of articles, blogs, and copy for their platforms. Whether it's writing product descriptions for e-commerce stores or ghostwriting blog posts for business owners, there are endless opportunities to make money from your writing skills. What's great is that you can get started with little to no experience, and as your portfolio grows, so does your pay. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect places to kickstart your writing career. You can also find freelance writing jobs in LinkedIn or Facebook, freelance writing groups. Next on the list is print on demand, or POD. Ever thought about selling your own custom t-shirts, hoodies, or even mugs? Well, with print on demand services like Teespring and Redbubble, you can upload your designs and they'll handle the printing, packaging, and shipping. The best part, you don't need any upfront inventory. You only pay when someone buys your product. Whether you're a graphic designer or just someone with clever ideas for quotes and memes, POD can become a solid passive income stream. If you're always on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, why not make money from it? In 2024, businesses are more dependent on their online presence than ever. That's where social media managers come in. Your job is to create content, engage with followers, and grow their audience. If you know how to turn social media posts into engagement gold, you can make a good amount of extra cash. Plus, you can work from anywhere. Reach out to local businesses or build your portfolio with smaller clients. Over time, your skills will be in demand by larger brands. Affiliate marketing has been there for a long time, and still people are making a lot of money through it. Here's how it works. You promote products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you get a commission. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareASale allow you to sign up and start earning quickly. Got a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram following? You can recommend products and make passive income from your audience's purchases. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it scales. The more content you create, the more opportunities to earn. Virtual assistants are the unsung heroes of many businesses, and the demand is only growing in 2024. As a VA, you help busy professionals with administrative tasks, from scheduling meetings to managing social media accounts. You can work with clients in any industry, offering flexible hours and remote work. Whether you want to go full-time or keep it as a side gig, websites like Upwork and Freelancer are great places to find work. Teaching doesn't just happen in a classroom. Online tutoring is booming, and it's one of the most fulfilling ways to make money. If you have expertise in a subject, be it math, science, or even a language, you can teach students all around the world. Websites like Chegg Tutors and Wyzant connect you with students who need help. Not only can you set your own rates, but you can also choose your schedule, making it a great side hustle for anyone who loves sharing knowledge. If you're an animal lover, pet sitting or dog walking is not only fun, but also profitable. Apps like Rover and Wag allow you to find clients in your area who need help taking care of their pets. Whether it's feeding a cat while someone's on vacation or taking a dog for a walk, this side hustle can bring in extra income while letting you spend time with furry friends. Plus, who wouldn't love getting paid to play with dogs? Speaking of YouTube, creating your own channel is one of the best ways to make passive income. Whether it's educational videos, entertainment, or reviews, you can build a following around your passion. As your channel grows, you can monetize through ads, affiliate links, or even sponsored content. It takes time and effort, but if you're consistent, YouTube can become a full-fledged side hustle or even a full-time job. And yes, faceless channels are a thing too. You don't always need to be on camera to succeed. From ebooks to online courses, digital products are one of the most scalable side hustles you can create. If you have knowledge in a specific field, you can create and sell products that people can download instantly. Websites like Gumroad and Etsy make it simple to set up a store, while platforms like Teachable and Udemy are perfect for selling online courses. Once your product is made, it can bring in money repeatedly without any extra effort. Last but not least, renting out your space. Do you have extra space that's sitting unused? Whether it's a spare bedroom, a basement, or even a garage, renting out your space can be a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to list your room or property to travelers, while sites like Neighbor let you rent out storage space to people who need it. It's a relatively hands-off way to earn extra cash, and with minimal effort, you can turn unused space into a steady income stream. In 2024, more people are looking for unique places to stay or affordable storage options. Why not take advantage of that demand? And there you have it, the top 10 side hustles to help you make extra money in 2024. Whether you're looking for something creative, flexible, or passive, there's a side hustle out there for you. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. So why not start today? Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tips on making money and achieving financial freedom.